Hey, my little farmers, this is Farmer Jason over here at Cog Hill Farm. And are you guys ready for a fun farm adventure today? Me too, so let's go. Do you guys ever just want to just chill and relax and just hang out with your buddies? Well, today I'm gonna hang out with my friends here on the farm and just relax and have a good time. Look at all my friends here today. We got Mr. Tip, we got Bootsy, we got Topper, we got Fifi, we got Capri, we got Paris, and here comes Bo Peep. Hey, Miss Bo Peep. Well, me and the little farmers thought we would just hang out with y'all today. Yeah. Hey, Miss Bootsy. Now, Miss Bootsy is our oldest female goat, and she is brown and white. And do you guys remember what you call a female goat? Got it. They're called a doe. Hey, Capri. How you doing? Look at Miss Capri. She's actually black and white, and she has a yellow collar on. She's really, really sweet too. But look at the difference between Capri and Bootsy. Capri's got big old floppy ears, and Bootsy has ears that stand straight up. Yeah. And y'all look at this silly Tip behind me. He's rubbing his head on my back. Watch him. Let's see if he does it again. There he goes. Tip, that feels like a good back massage right there now. Wow. I'm enjoying that, Tip. Yeah. Goodness. Thank you, sir. Now, Tip is actually our oldest goat here on the farm. And he too is black and white. Yeah. Hey, Miss Capri. Hey, girl. Mm-hmm. You are a beautiful goat. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Mm-hmm. Uh-oh, Bootsy likes to play with the camera sometimes. Let's look at Fifi right here. Hey, Fifi. Now, Fifi is white and has a little bit of brown on her. Yeah. It's just kind of speckled in her white hair. Actually, Fifi and Miss Capri right here, they're cousins. Hey, Mr. Topper. Hey, buddy. Now, Topper is one of our male goats. And do you guys remember what you call a male goat? That's right. They're called a buck. Yeah. Now, Topper is solid white. And he has one cool thing about him that I bet you cannot miss. And that is his huge beard. Look at it. Look how big his beard is. It's way bigger than my beard. Oh my gracious. Now Topper has a red collar on. See that? It matches this red umbrella up here. Now Topper is a sweet, 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 sweet boy here. I'm going to tell y'all. He is one of the sweetest goats we own. Yes, he is. And I just love coming out here and hanging out with Topper and talking to him. Yeah. I think he's a good listener. You guys over here by the salt block? Yeah. Let's show the little farmers y'all salt block. This is actually called a salt and mineral block right here. So a lot of our livestock and farm animals need to have salt and minerals. And so he put this little salt block out here for them. And you can see where they've been licking it down right there. Look. Right there. So when they need some salt or minerals, they could come out here and they'll lick on this block. Oh, Tipper, you are a sweet boy as well, aren't you? Yes, you are. You guys see why I like to come out here and just relax and hang out with my buddies? Yeah. I think Miss Mildred, our cow, is over there using the scratching post. Let's go over there and see Miss Mildred, okay, Tip? Okay, buddy. Yeah. Hey, Mildred. Mildred is our white cow, and she loves this scratching post, as well do the other animals that live here too. You guys saw how Top was rubbing his head on my back. Well, they like to rub their head and body on the scratching post as well. And it's got like plastic bristles, like a giant hairbrush. And so when they get a little itch, they'll come over here and they'll just rub on it like this and just scratch all over it like this right here, won't you, Mildred? Yeah, just like this. Oh, you ever get an itch on your back and you can't reach it? Yeah, that's what they do with this. They'll find a spot and they'll just scratch and scratch and scratch. Won't you, Mildred? Yeah. They all love the scratching post, even the goats and our donkey, Miss Jessie. Oh, Mildred, you are a pretty girl. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Oh, my goodness. Sweet girl Mildred. I believe all our animals like to be petted on. I do. Yeah. Mildred also likes that salt and mineral block. A lot. I got a feeling she's the one that made that little circle wear down spot in it. Because you know why? Have you guys ever felt what a cat's tongue feels like? You know, it's kind of rough. Kind of like sandpaper, if you ever felt sandpaper before. Well, Mildred's tongue is the same way. It's just quite larger because, I mean, of course, look how big Mildred is, right? But her tongue is big. Yeah, you're such a sweetie. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. I think the goats are headed down to the woods. Let's go over there with them and let's see what we can find in the woods. Yeah. See, this pasture here goes all the way down in this wooded area. And one reason that we did that is because for shade, obviously, when it gets really hot outside. But here's one cool thing about goats. Goats do like eating grass. They do. But if they had their choice, they would eat forage. And let me show you what I'm talking about. Y'all look through here. Do y'all see anything green really growing through here? Not really, except the trees. And that's because the goats will come down through here and they will eat all of this forage up. Now, forage can be plants, it can be vines, but generally you don't think of grass as being a forage. You think of maybe small trees. And let me show you a prime example of forage and what the forest over here looked like before we put the goats in here. Do y'all see all these little trees and this plant growing right here? And we got vines growing all up through there. And just, you can hardly even see the floor of the forest over here. That's all forage. And that's what the goats do a really good job of cleaning up for us. I mean, look how beautiful it looks in here now, right? And the goats really enjoy it. This is what they love to eat versus grass. They like leaves too. They really love leaves as well. See them in here? Hey guys, How are y'all enjoying the forest area? I know y'all love it. Yeah. So y'all can see Fifi now. She's eating some forage. See her right there? And you can see Tip is scratching his head on that little tree right there. Look at him. You guys are enjoying foraging around here in the forest area, aren't you? Look at them eating leaves. Mm-mm. Now, Miss Mildred, our cow, she's just the opposite. And that means she'd rather eat grass than forage. Grass is her favorite. So, do you know what they call animals that love eating grass? They call them grazers because they graze on the grass. That means you like to eat grass. Goats, on the other hand, like forage. And do you know what they call animals that like to eat forage? They call them foragers. I see another one of my buddies over here, and she's taking a nap. She likes to nap a lot and loves to lay out in the sun when it's cool outside. And she too actually likes to forage. Let me go show you who I'm talking about. Okay guys, I'm gonna go visit my other buddy over here, and y'all can continue to have a wonderful day in the forest, okay? Good deal. Well, let's go over here and let's go see my other buddy in this pasture that she is one of my original animals here on the farm, and she's been with me a long time, and I love her dearly. And that is my potbelly pig named Peaches. Hey Peaches, how you doing, girl? How are you doing? Yeah. I thought I'd just come over here and just hang out with my buddies today. Yeah. One thing Peaches loves, she loves belly rubs. Yeah. See her? I don't think a pig can actually roll over on its back. Or at least I've never seen one do it before, kind of like a dog. So this is about as good as it gets, isn't it, Peachy? Yeah. That's right. Peaches is now 8 years old. Yeah. Yes, you are. And is the oldest farm animal that we have here on the farm. Oh, you want me to scratch your back now? Oh, Peaches. Oh, Peaches. Y'all look who decided to come from the woods and eat some hay. Bootsy and Topper. And here comes the rest of them. And look, there's Mr. Nugget over there, our emu. Hey, Nugget. Are you guys gonna come get y'all some hay as well? Oh, let's see if Bo Peep scratches on the scratching post. Let's watch her. There she goes. Oh, Bo. Oh, Tip's gonna do it too. I think I saw Miss Mildred over here laying down. I did. Look at here. Mildred, you're over here laying in the shade, aren't you? It is cool today, but it's not that cold, is it? No, and I bet the shade feels good because you have your new winter coat on. See, a lot of farm animals or livestock that has hair like a goat or a cow or a donkey or even a horse, they will put a winter coat on, which is a thicker type hair versus their summer coat, which is a thinner coat. So this thick coat keeps them warm in the wintertime. Even Tip has one. Yeah, that's right. And you can really tell the difference as it gets colder in the season. But that's their way of staying warm. But since the sun's come up, It's getting a little warm, isn't it, buddy? I can see why Miss Mildred decided to hang out over here in this shade over here by the hay, right? Yeah. Oh, goodness. Let's go see our other buddy over here. Yeah, our other buddy who also has put a real thick winter coat on. This is Miss Jessie. Yep, and she is a miniature donkey. Miss Jessie will not get much bigger than this. Matter of fact, she's probably through growing. Yeah, way smaller than a normal donkey. Yeah. Now, Jessie is extremely sweet and loves lots of hugs. Now, Miss Jessie is really putting on a thick winter coat as well. It looks way different than it did several months ago. But that's because she wants to stay warm during the winter. Don't you, Jessie? Yeah. One cool thing about donkeys and horses, their nose is really soft. And if you ever felt what velvet feels like, the material velvet, it's what their nose feels like. You such a sweet girl. Yes, you are. Sweet, sweet girl, Jessie. Look, I'm going to show you how thick her hair is now. Look at this. Now, in the summertime, it doesn't look anything like this. It's really slick. I'll show you. Look at her leg, kind of like right here. That's what her summer coat looks like, similar to that. See how thin that is? But look how we start to go up her leg and how thick and woolly her hair starts to get. And you can see like right around in here how thick it is here, but it's not. Well, she's turned her head. Let's see if she'll turn back at me. But you can see how in the front it's not quite as thick. Yeah, her hair's not all the way full yet. Her winter coat's not. But Jessie, I think your winter coat is absolutely beautiful. Yes, I do. And I know it keeps you warm when it gets cold. Yeah. Well, let's go see what my other buddy is doing right next door. Okay? Let's go see what he's doing. And Miss Jessie, you have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the day, okay? And thank you so much for hanging out with me, okay? Well, here comes my other farm buddy right here. Hey, buddy. Come on in. Come on in, partner. Come on. Come on. What's going on, Nugget? Huh? What's going on, buddy? Yeah. Oh, my gracious. So this is my buddy Nugget, who is our emu. But man, I love coming in here and spending time with my buddy Nugget. Yes, I do. Yeah. His feathers are so soft until you get back here in the back, and then they're rough. And they sound like crunching paper or straw. Now, Mr. Nugget here loves to be petted, and I love petting him. Yes, I do. It's so relaxing. Now, Nugget's feathers are real thin. It's not really like a normal bird feather when you think of feathers. His feathers are real, real thin. Can you see that? Yep. And up here on the top of his head, these feathers are super thin, almost like little hairs. See that? Almost like little hairs. And his skin around his head is a blue and purple color. Nugget, you're a sweet, sweet bird. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. I can see something poking their little paws out underneath the barn door over here. Right under there. So I'm thinking we ought to go in the barn and visit with our friends in the barn. There's actually 3 of them in there. Okay, Mr. Nugget, thank you so much for hanging out with us today. We're fixing to go see the 3 little ones in the barn, okay? All right. Hello, guys. Look at here. These are my 3 little buddies right here. What are y'all doing? Yeah. What are y'all doing? Now this one right here, this gray kitty cat right here, her name is Biscuit. And she is a girl. Do any of you guys have any cats? Cool. I love cats. I really do. Now this handsome young man right here, this is Sylvester. And he is a sweetheart. I don't know if y'all can hear him purring, but he's purring. When cats get real happy, they'll start purring. And it goes like that. Y'all look, even though Sylvester is a black cat, look at his whiskers, they're solid white. And my other buddy right behind me, right over here, his name's Bramble. I got to show y'all something cool about Mr. Bramble. Hey, Bramble. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Bramble's tail looks like a squirrel. Look at it. Look at that big old tail Bramble has. Yeah. Oh, Sylvester. We were just admiring Bramble's beautiful, beautiful, fluffy tail. Let's see if he walks with it. Y'all look, it looks just like a squirrel. Look. Where you going, buddy? With your big squirrel tail. Okay, Mr. Sylvester. I'll give you some scratches. You like that? Yeah, he's just a purr, so I know he likes it. Well, I got another little buddy out there waiting on me. And I need to go see her too, okay? And thank you so much for letting us hang out with you guys today. And y'all keep purring. Yeah. Let's see if she comes to me. There she is. Hey, buddy. This is my farm dog, Holly. And she pretty much follows me everywhere I go. Yes. Now, I don't let her in there with the animals because sometimes they get a little nervous around Holly, even though Holly's really sweet and wouldn't do anything. But we do not want to make the animals nervous. So Holly sits outside the gate here and waits on me. Yeah. Do any of you guys have a dog? You do? Do you love petting on your dog like this? I bet so. And I bet your dog enjoys it as well. Do you and your dog play games like fetch and chase and probably even maybe football or ball? Yeah, me and Holly play lots of games as well, don't we, girl? Oh, you want your belly rubbed like Peaches? Oh, Holly. What's going on, Mo? Hey, buddy. Hey, Mr. Moo Man. Hey, buddy. How you doing? Yeah, I was just taking the little farmers around and just visiting everybody today. We're just spending some time with everybody. Yeah. Now, Moody is our big black and white cow right here, and he's really big. He's anywhere from 1,600 to 2,000 pounds, which is a lot. But even though he is a big cow, he's a sweet fella. Yes, he is. And he too loves to be scratched on and loved on. Oh, sweet Moody. Well, little farmers, I hope you enjoy just hanging out and relaxing with me and all my farm friends today. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day as well. And always remember to be kind and y'all be good.